Greetings my viewers and subscribers. You don't know this is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And to them my people, right about now, I'm just going to talk about the Spur Trail main road, which is located in Manchester. And my people, today I'm just going to talk about the haunting of the Spur Trail main road. As many people would say, duppy, ghost, or some people will say spirit. Well people, I'm just going to talk about the Spur Trail main road and the tragedy that has been there for so long and throughout the years. Well people, let me get into my topic. Well, growing up as a toddler in Jamaica as a young man, always hear my grandparents told me about the Spur Trail main road, just like how they will told me about Fern Gully in St. Ann and the Flat Bridge in St. Catherine. But people, they always say those places, they are very haunted, you know. People always did it. Well, viewers and subscribers, I'm gonna tell you my experience through Fern Gully for the first time. Wow, was such a terrible one. You understand? Because going through there was really scary. In the day, it is so dark, like it's midnight, people. Yeah, and Flat Bridge, you don't know, so fear always I got the people when they're driving on that bridge, because as of them tell you, it's a spirit always there. An accident always happen. So once you're going over that Flat Bridge, John, it's scary. But my main topic to the people is the Spur Trail main road. Because, sometimes after one diner, I used to hear like every week there's an accident in the Spur Trail main road and people always die there. And people, to tell you the truth, right? For me, I think something there, something not right up that Spur Trail main road. You understand? I have seen where two vehicles traveling, not going fast, and the two of them just managed to collide in each other. And I tell you, most time I hear an accident at Spur Trail main road, just look out, say, somebody I got dead. You get me as a people. So, on a real level, that road there, people, the Spur Trail, it's really a nice stretch to drive on, you know what I mean? The road is not bad, mean the condition, it's well paved and everything, you know what I mean? Well asphalted, line is in the road and everything, but you don't know, so you have the big trucks them that travel on the Spur Trail main road, and you know what I mean? That's the road that leads you down right into St. Elizabeth, down that hill, where that, and especially that big corner right there. So, a lot of people have it scary, and when you look and you see over those precipices over there, those gully and everything, you know people. So for many people, some people say even when you're driving slow, they were dead on the Spur Trail main road. Them say you drive fast, and the same thing will happen. Some people say, it haunted, spirit always there, them always need blood, them blood thirst, and they have a time when them just go take people, so, you know what I mean? But, to be honest people, even my thoughts on like how me say, I think it's haunted and everything, to be honest, it's just a natural thing, you know what I mean? And we have roads in Jamaica like that where are really, really deadly, just like the Landover main road in St. Ann. Those roads are really deadly. They are just spots where accidents always happen and life always be lost and them places there, you understand? So for my perspective is the Spur Trail main road, it's just one of them road. You know what I mean? It's just one of them road there where, it's just a road where it's not, you have narrow parts on the road there and life always been lost there. So it's not mean nothing to really be scared of, because for some people, tourists always go there just to go on the top there, just to take the picture over and see over St. Elizabeth, looking all over, you understand? The plain land up, and it's really beautiful. The scenery up there, honestly man, is one of the most beautiful scenes. I even take pictures up there as well, took pictures up there with the people, because it's really nice and I love it so much. So for me, man, you want to go to Spur Trail, man, go on, drive carefully, be safe and be great, but don't worry about the hauntedness, don't worry about the spirit, don't worry about the duppy, you understand? Just go on, man, and just be careful and pray, you know what I mean? But it's just a nice experience. So anyone who hasn't been to the Spur Trail main road yet, you know what I mean, you can go check it out, and don't worry yourself and don't be scared. Remember, NEWLINK tell that from NEWLINK Production. So viewers and subscribers, you don't know, this is just a quick upside and an upscale of, you know what I mean, talking about Jamaica and the Spur Trail main road, which is located in Manchester, Jamaica. You don't know, again people, you don't know, like the video, You don't know, subscribe and don't forget to share. And remember, this is NEWLINK and we say hot. So blessings people, have a productive day. Remember, follow us on Instagram NEWLINK_production, Facebook NEWLINK production, Twitter NEWLINK production. We all over the place, man. Enough love people, enough respect. Big up, blessings. Hot NEWLINK, big up.